What happens when you run Docker command like Docker run nginx? So what happens in actual?
Okay, so we are running the command docker run -d.
Now let's talk about the Docker storage driver. So what's the use case of Docker storage driver? I will just give you some questions, and based on that you can like answer.
Okay.
So like managing about the prune command. So what do you understand by Docker system prune command? Like is it utilized for running like deleting all your
Dangling images.
question
Stop.
number 4, and that is the most confusing, most asked question during the interview, be it a DevOps, SRE, whatever the like cloud related interview you are appearing
Application
for.
with whatever it needs into a image, into a packet. So this packet is having the application code plus all the dependencies that it needs to run. Okay, so inside this packet, everything is there. So it is just like a Maggie packet. Okay, it is having everything that
Very
it
much
needs.
excellently to understand. Now let's move towards the next question on the Docker side only. So what will
Impacts
happen?
each other.
Okay, about so isolated keywords. So let's talk about the isolation side as well, like 10 containers from the same image or the different images. So how all these containers are isolated with each other in Docker.
Okay, so these are not similar to complete VMs. Like VM is different, and these containers are processes which are isolated. They are not having the operating system of their own. Okay, so they are using the host, that is a machine.
Easy question or the Docker command related questions?
Like as we explain these kind of questions with much depth and clarity. So similar way, if you want to get the understanding of the concepts as well as their real use case, uh, we encourage you to enroll in the DevOps bootcamp. So there you can get everything at one place. Like there will be live demos as well. There will be live troubleshooting of Kubernetes. There will be live demo of your Docker container creation and how you can override it. You will see everything, like how does this entry point and CMD can be overridden, how it varies. You will be able to see some AWS demos in it. So Terraform repository, your Jenkins files, how these actually look like in your actual production environment. All things, like if you haven't worked or if you have also worked, if you are not able to explain it in your interviews, so then what is it of use? So all these things we teach in our DevOps interview bootcamp. You can enroll yourself in the next batch, or you can just like get the recordings of previous batches that are also available at a discounted price. So we encourage you. So what will happen, you will just feel that confidence, you will just get everything what actually happens in DevOps day to day like life, what we actually work. So we will incorporate our experience, so you can just add it. It's like icing on the cake. It's like your learning, we will just enhance it. We will just give you every thing that you need to crack your next DevOps interviews. So what are you waiting for? You can just crack your next DevOps interview with this bootcamp. So since you all know, Manish will like Manish teaches all these concepts very beautifully. So he will be the one who would be handling the AWS part there, and he has very beautifully covered almost all the topics that you need. It's not only the topics, it's the real use case, like where you would need VPC peering, transit gateways, everything. Okay, so best of luck, guys, for your interviews, and keep watching Manish videos on his YouTube channel.
Yeah, so as she discussed, so in the bootcamp we cover all kind of real incidents, real interview questions, and these are the kind of questions what actually I ask while hiring any candidate for my team, and what I have asked previously, correct? So these are the real interview questions what we teach, what we like try to teach you on troubleshooting part, on explanation part as well, and it all includes like AWS, Kubernetes, Terraform, CI/CD, generic questions, your project explanation, your introduction, like DevSecOps questions. Each and everything is covered with real troubleshooting, real challenges, because during the interview you are not just asked about the concepts, you are also asked about what kind of challenges have you faced. If this is the particular scenario, how will you fix this, correct? What kind of learning you have got out of that. So you are not just going to explain the question and their answer, you have to explain your answer in a way which should look like that you have really worked as a DevOps engineer. So we are not outdated, just like any other tutors, what you might feel, what you might have interacted before. But we are sharing our real experiences, what we have been working right now and what we have worked before. So you are going to get the same what we have been working upon. So you are just going to feel that you are working as a DevOps engineer once you join the bootcamp, once you like appear for the interview after the bootcamp. So you can do inquiry over the number which is in the description, and just feel free to reach out to us in case of any queries. And if you want any specific topic or any specific question to be covered during the video, just drop that in the comment and we will be covering in our next video. Till the time, thank you. Keep watching videos. Thanks.